Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Smiley Kids channel. In this video, we are going to see the explanation of the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities Part 3. But before that, subscribe to our channel Smiley Kids. So let's get started. In the previous video, we have seen the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. In this video, we are going to see the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Apart from that, we have a quiz time as well. So let's get going. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Monomials. First, let's see how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. Let's say I have the monomial 7pq and the other monomial is 8a square. And in case I need to multiply these two monomials, what will I do first? I will first multiply their coefficients, that is 7 multiplied by 8, which gives us 56. Then we have a square and pq. We're going to write like this, a square pq. This is how we are going to multiply a monomial by a monomial. Let's see another example. Let's say I have the monomial 6ab and the other monomial is 7bc. In case I need to multiply these two monomials, then first I will multiply their coefficients. In this case, it is 6 multiplied by 7, which gives us 42. Now let's multiply the variables. Here we have only one a, so we're going to write just a, and then in the first monomial there is b, and as well in the second monomial we have b again. So it's going to be b multiplied by b, which gives us b square. Then we have c, which is equal to 42ab square c. Let's see another example. If I have the monomial 7xy and another monomial as 2pq, then first I'm going to multiply the coefficient 7 multiplied by 2, which gives us 14, then followed by the variables pq, xy. Let's see another example. Let's say I have xy and yz. I'm going to multiply these two. But here we don't have any coefficient. So we're going to just straight away multiply the variables. So we have only one x. So it's going to be just x. We have 2y. So y multiplied by y, which gives us y square. And then we have z, which is equal to xy square z. These are few examples of multiplying monomial by a monomial. And what if I need to multiply monomial by a binomial? Let's see few examples. Let's say I have the monomial 5a square and I have the binomial 2a square plus 2b. I'm going to multiply these two. How am I going to do that? You're going to use the distributive law. Distributive law. How is that possible? You're going to write in this way, 5a square multiplied by 2a square plus 2b. You're going to write like this. Now 5a square has to be multiplied by 2a square plus 5a square multiplied by 2b. Let's write it. 5a square multiplied by 2a square plus 5a square multiplied by 2b. You can put them in the brackets. Now we are going to further simplify them. So here we have 5a square multiplied by 2a square. Multiply their coefficients first. 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. And a square multiplied by a square gives us a to the power 4. Plus, then we have 5a square multiplied by 2b. Multiply their coefficients first. 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. Then we have a square b. So our final answer is 10a to the power 4 plus 10a square b. This is how you're going to multiply monomial by a binomial. Let's see another example. Here we have the monomial as xy and the binomial as 2a minus b. How are you going to solve? You're again going to use the distributive law. Xy multiplied by 2a minus b. So in this case, xy should be multiplied by 2a minus xy should be multiplied by b. Let's write it. Xy multiplied by 2a minus, why am I going to write a minus sign over here? Because here we have a minus sign, the same is going to continue the next as well. Minus xy multiplied by b. Now you're going to further simplify them. Xy multiplied by 2a gives us 2axy minus xy multiplied by b gives us bxy. So this is your final answer. So when we multiply xy with 2a minus b, we get the answer as 2axy minus bxy. This is how you're going to multiply a monomial by a binomial. And what if I need to multiply a monomial by a trinomial? Let's say I have the monomial as 5x and I have the trinomial as x plus x squared plus 1. How am I going to multiply this? You're again going to use the distributive law. What are you going to use? You're going to use the distributive law. Let's see how. 5x multiplied by x plus x squared plus 1. Now what does this mean? You're going to multiply 5x with each term in the expression. Let's write it. 5x multiplied by x plus 5x multiplied by x squared plus 5x multiplied by 1. Now 5x multiplied by x gives us 5x squared plus 5x multiplied by x squared gives us 5x to the power 3 or 5x cube plus 5x multiplied by 1 gives us 5x. So what is our answer? It is 5x squared plus 5x cube plus 5x. Binomials. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Let's say the binomial is 5x plus 3 and the other binomial is 2y plus 5. How are you going to multiply these two binomials? So here we have two expressions. Take the first expression, take each term of the first expression and multiply each term of the first expression with the second expression. That means here we have 5x plus 3. It has two terms, correct? That is why it is called the binomial. You're going to multiply each term with the second expression. Alright, then what does that mean? It means that 5x multiplied by 2y plus 5 plus, why am I going to put a plus over here? Because here we have plus, so we're going to put plus as well, right? Then we have 3 multiplied by 2y plus 5. What just happened? We multiplied each term of the first expression with the second expression. So we multiplied 5x with the second expression, that is 2y plus 5, and then we multiplied 3 with the second expression, that is 2y plus 5. Now we're going to simplify them. What are we going to use now here? We're going to use the distributive law. Multiply 5x with each term in the expression and multiply 3 with each term in the expression. Correct. Which is going to be 5x multiplied by 2y plus 5x multiplied by 5. Correct. Plus, then we have 3 multiplying with each term in the expression. So it's going to be 3 multiplied by 2y plus 3 multiplied by 5. Now let's simplify. 5x multiplied by 2y, which gives us 10xy, plus 5x multiplied by 5, which gives us 25x, plus 3 multiplied by 2y, which gives us 6y, plus 3 multiplied by 5, which gives us 15. Now what is the final answer? It is 10xy plus 25x plus 6y plus 15. And what if I need to multiply a binomial by a trinomial? Let's see an example. Let's say I have the binomial as 5x plus 2 and the trinomial as 2y plus 3 plus 5x. How am I going to multiply them? Again, you're going to do the same as we did for the previous example. Take each term of the first expression and multiply it with the second expression. That is, you're going to multiply 5x with 2y plus 3 plus 5x. And again, you're going to multiply it with 2 multiplied by 2y plus 3 plus 5x. Now again you're going to use the distributive law. 5x multiplied with each term in the expression and 2 multiplied with each term in the expression. What is it going to be? 10xy plus 15x plus 25x square plus, then we have 2 multiplied by 2y, which gives us 4y, plus 2 multiplied by 3, which gives us 6, plus 2 multiplied by 5x, which gives us 10x. But wait, this is not the final answer. We are yet to simplify. Here 15x and 10x are like terms which can be added, which is gonna be 10xy plus 25x square plus 4y plus 6 plus, then we have 15x plus 10x, which is going to give us 25x. So this is going to be your final answer and cannot be simplified further. It is 10xy plus 25x square plus 4y plus 6 plus 25x. Quiz time. Multiply 7z and 8xyz. The options are A. 94xyz square, B. 56xyz square, C. 42xyz, or D. 58xyz. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is option B, 56xyz square. How is it? You're going to multiply 7z with 8xyz. So first multiply their coefficients. 7 multiplied by 8 which gives us 56. Then we have xyz square. Correct, which is going to be option number B. Question number 2. Multiply 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. The options are A. 8x square minus 14x minus 15. B. 8x square plus 14x minus 15. C. 12x square minus 14x minus 20. Or D. 12x square minus 14x minus 20. Your time starts now. Your time is up. And the right answer is option B, 8x square plus 14x minus 15. Let's see how. 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. So here in the first expression we have two terms, right? So we're going to multiply each term with the second expression, which is going to be 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now 2x has to be multiplied with each term in the expression and 5 has to be multiplied with each term in the expression. 2x multiplied by 4x gives us 8x square minus 2x multiplied by 3 gives us 6x plus 5 multiplied by 4x gives us 20x minus 5 multiplied by 3 gives us 15. Now, is this the final answer? No, it is not. We still have like terms. 8x square. Then, what is minus 6x plus 20x equal to? We have different signs. So, we're going to subtract 20 minus 6 gives us 14. But the bigger number sign is plus. So, we're going to put plus 14x minus 15. So, this is going to be our final answer. It is 8x square plus 14x minus 15, which is option number B. Question number 3. 2abc multiplied by 34. Here we have two monomials. You're going to multiply them. The options are A. 2abc, B. 34, C. 68abc, or D. 0. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is option C, 68abc. First multiply their coefficients. 2 multiplied by 34 gives us 68. Then we have the alphabets or the variables which is equal to 68abc. Question number 4. Multiply 7a and 14pq. The options are A. 21apq, B. 98apq, C. 60pqa, or D. None of these. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is option B, 98apq. Multiply their coefficients. 7 multiplied by 14, which gives us 98, followed by the variables APQ, which is equal to 98 APQ, which is option number B. Question number 5. What is the product of 10,000x, 95,625xy and 0? The options are A. 95 crores 62 lakh 50,000 x square y. B. 95 crore 62 lakh 50,000 x square y square. C. 45,000 xyz. Or D. None of these. Your time starts now. Your time is up and the right answer is option D, none of these. The product of 10,000x, 95,625xy and 0 is equal to 0 because any number which is multiplied by 0 is 0 itself, right? So the product of any numbers which is multiplied by 0 is 0. So in this option 0 is not there, so it is option number D, which is none of these, is the correct answer. Hope you all enjoyed watching this session. In the next videos, we're going to cover the next topics of algebraic expressions and identities. Till then, stay tuned. But before that, subscribe to our channel, Smiley Kids. Thank you, friends.